So if you wanted to start a YouTube channel but you're not sure if YouTube is worth your time, worth your energy, or even your effort, or you're probably wondering if YouTube actually pay creators, if they actually pay creators that much money that creators are saying they pay them, or if it actually worth living your 9 to 5 job for, or you've been having all of those crazy questions in your head, don't worry, this video is obviously going to answer that, because I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me and other creators in 2022. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then sit back and keep on watching. Hey loves, welcome to the channel. My name is Adesholami, and if you want to learn how to make money, how to grow your money, and basically how to become financially independent, start by subscribing to this channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar videos related to this one. So enough of the talk. I'm just going to go right into YouTube because I do not want to bore you with unnecessary talks. So let's start from going here. Okay, so you can see all of these tabs right here. They are YouTuber's account that I've opened. Alright, so I'm going to start from this guy here. His name is Africa Amaze. That's his channel name, and his description says this channel is an African filmmaking platform from Ghana, West Africa. It is dedicated to beginner filmmakers or film enthusiasts who want to learn filmmaking as a craft. You can WhatsApp me on blah blah blah. So far, he has had 599,000 views. Okay, so it's based in Ghana, and from his videos you can see that it makes videos on photography. I can see an iPhone here, iPhone review. This is a gimbal shot. This is DJI Mavic. So it talks about photography, phones, cameras, and all stuff. So let's move to where he actually talked about how much it was paid him. According to him, this is
Unfortunately, they
okay, I'm going to play the video on screen. So according to him, this is his most watched videos, 343,000 views, and he made only $80 from this video. Now let's watch this from here.
kind of niche that I am, I have to put in much more effort to make sure that these videos are really to the part of the video you all have been waiting for. What is the total amount that I have made since starting this channel? In fact, how much money have I made in total at about 6,000 subscribers? Here we go. And boom. So over here, you're just so guys.
So overall, he has made $155.31 for over 580,000 videos, which I think is really low, because as you can see, his RPM is ridiculously low. I used to think my RPM is low, but this is ridiculously low. And from my research, I think YouTube pays Ghana a little bit lesser than Nigeria. Okay, so this is crazy. This is crazy. Now that is because of the kind of niche we focus on, which is photography and phone and all. I don't know why, but this is supposed to be making a lot more money. So yeah, let's close this channel. Let's move on to this one. This is Mimi Kutu. Okay, she's a South African YouTuber, but apparently she didn't show her lifetime views or her lifetime payment. She only said
For my first month on YouTube getting paid, not even my first month, but just my first month of getting paid, I made 1,181 rand.
okay, at first month she made 1,181 rand, and I think rand is about, let's say, 30 naira to naira now. That's 1 rand is 30 naira, so this is probably about 30,000 each, 35, 40,000 each in her first month. So, and she majorly talks about, hey QT, my name is Mimi and I make video about my lifestyle, productivity, fashion, fitness, and other aspects of my life. Location South Africa, and she's 18 years old. So imagine her getting about 40,000 naira, which is about $100 in her first month. I think it is a really good pay for South Africa. I intentionally added her because she was the only South African YouTuber I could find that showed how much money YouTube has paid her. So let's move on to the next one. This is Ella Bella. She's an entrepreneur. She talks about entrepreneurship, lifestyle, travel, intentional living, and yeah, same thing on her bio. Now let's listen to how much she has made.
We're going to take a look here at the analytics, and I'm not going to make you wait.
Okay, straight to the point, she has made $4,528, okay, for 523,000 views. Can you see that she has made more money than this guy over here that has approximately the same amount of views? But the advantage this lady has over the other guy is because of the fact that she talks about entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, when you talk about money related videos on YouTube, just like what I'm talking about, you tend to make more money, plain and simple. Okay, so she had made 4,528,000 cents from what you can see right here on the screen for a lifetime view. As you can see here, January 1 to 30, January 1st to December 31st of 2022. Now let's move on to another person right here. Let's see. Okay, so we have Fisayo Fosudo here. Is a Nigerian. He talks about tech and finance. If you're in Nigeria and you don't know about this man's channel, he was sleeping, especially if you watch videos like this. So I'm just going to jump right into the video where he shared how much he has made.
And for the answer to the question, we made around 65.9 thousand.
So Fisayo has made 65,000, almost $66,000 on his channel. And for him to make this kind of money, trust me when I tell you that his RPM must be very low, because there are other creators in like the United States that are making a lot more money. I've been watching Erin's video for a while now. She talks about entrepreneurship, how to make videos, content creation tips, and all. So in 2022, let's listen to this.
So I'm gonna show you guys when I make something out the room first. So
in 2022, for 3.2 million views, she made $105,000. If I have that kind of money, I'm going to first of all run away. I'm going to run away, trust me. Now let's move on to the next person. We have Crystal Nichols, and she just shares a journey of losing weight, self-care, and growth. Okay, so this is a channel.
So yeah, I have been monetized officially 7 months. And so in 7 months from YouTube, I made $3,463.22.
So for the whole of 2022, this lady made $3,472 just from YouTube alone, as not even a full-time business, because she has a proper business. Because I watched this entire video and she has made over $3,000 because her RPM is quite high. And look at her channel views, 876K. Obviously, she didn't generate all of these views in this year. She must have had some previous videos, okay? But the idea of this video is to get the gist of how much YouTube pay people. Now, this is another one, Christiana's side also. And so far, she has made
.com/Christina. So now if you want to know how much I
how much she has made for
ended up making in total on YouTube in 2022.
Okay, so in YouTube in 2022 in total, she made $1,937.70 for 150,000 views, which I think is pretty much good, okay? That's according to YouTube. And she talks about passive income, side hustles, money, basically Google AdSense, and all stuff like that. And this is how much money she has made. Now let's go on to this nurse deal. Now I'm really excited to show you this one. She's in UK, and this is how much I made.
Let's go to my lifetime on YouTube. In the year 2022, I made a sum of $1,064.58.
So this lady, she's a nurse in YouTube, and she only has 8,000 subscribers, and she has made $1,064, where she shares video on about how to travel. Let me show you her channel. Nursing jobs in the UK, basically UK, Australia. So I think you should check this channel if you want to jump back. Okay, so this is what she talk about on her channel, and she has made this amount of money. Okay, let me not bore you. This is another person in pounds, 1,000. But lastly, I just want to show you Ali Abdal before I move on to my channel. So Ali Abdal is one of my favorite YouTubers, and this guy made.
And this year we've done around $653,299 in terms of YouTube ads.
He's definitely one of my favorite YouTubers on this page, because trust me, his videos are really, really good and it takes time. Like when you watch his videos, you know that he puts in time, energy, and effort. So now let's go right into my own channel because I've been talking about people's channel and I want to really get in depth on my channel. Let's go to my channel dashboard right here. Alright, so now that we are on my channel, this is my channel dashboard and I just want to go straight into my analytics. Now, this is how much I've made in the past 30 days, right? Which is crazily low. But because we're talking about 2022, right? I'm going to just move ahead to my, let's go to custom and let's 2022. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you how much I've made in the whole of 2022. Having in mind that 2022 was the year I was pregnant, I didn't post. I was not posting consistently. I was just a little bit here, right there. Meanwhile, there was this time I posted this Big Brother Naija video where I got strike. I had a copyright strike. This is the height you can see up here. And overall, I had 342,000 views in 2022. I had this number of watch hours and I was able to get 4.9 subscribers alone in 2022. Before we see the actual amount, let me show you my top performing videos. So open in a new tab. Let me show you my top performing videos and I'm just going to narrow it down to you so that you can see how much and how YouTube are actually paying us. So I'm going to start by filtering this down to like 5,000 views. 5,000. Apply. I'm going to pick two 5,000 videos. Okay, here I have. Open a new tab. Where's another one that is 5,000? Open a new tab. Okay, let's see. Analytics. So for this video, this is a piggyvest video and I have almost 6,000 views. 6,000 views on this video and I've only made $16.38 since I've published it with the RPM of 2.78. So it means that this RPM is still very fair compared to other RPMs that they give Nigerians. So for this one, this is a skincare video and the RPM is about 2.7. Can you see how they are paying us? And if you remember, there was this video I showed you somewhere here that our RPM was about $5. I missed it. But this Ghanaian guy, his RPM was 0.27. Let me see another video. Let's see another one. Let me filter. Okay, look at this video. This is another finance video. This is a finance video, and this is a Shein video. Now, this finance video has generated over 7,000 views, right? 7.9k views, and I've made $45 on this, and I've gotten 421 subscribers from this. See, the RPM is about 5.74. Now, this is a Shein video, and the analytics, again, I've only had 64 subscribers, and you can see here 7.7k subscribers. The audience here, revenue here, the RPM is 2.25. So it means with fashion videos, you have a lower RPM, if you get what I'm saying. And I've only made $17.37 here, but I've made $45.05 here with a relatively the same amount of views. So let's just go back to how much I've made in total. For 342,000 views in 2022 and for 4.9k subscribers, 25.7k watch hours, I've made $551.15, which is a very small amount of money, trust me, because this cannot even buy a new camera. But truthfully, I'm really thankful to YouTube because during 2022 especially, I was not posting consistently because I was pregnant. I was not filming. If you go back and watch most of my videos, they were vlogs and videos that I probably filmed in the past that I posted. So this is how much I made in 2022. And let me just quickly show you how much I've made so far in January this year. 61,000. That is $61.97 with 17.7k subscribers, 17.7k views. I've gained 331 subscribers, and I've had 1.2k watch hours. So my RPM is currently about 3.65, which I think is fair. So my top videos are how to get a loan without collateral, how to invest in stock, how to use this bamboo app, how to I was ashamed to share my pregnancy news, and the best thing I've gotten from AliExpress. So the thing with YouTube is that the RPM and CPM change. If you want me to make a detailed video about RPM and CPM on YouTube, let me know and I'll try to film a detailed video for you guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Please make sure you watch my hat. Someone said Pampers is not very expensive in my comment section. So please watch my hat. That way I can have money to buy my small YouTube boy Pampers. Okay. So thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. So if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel and you're probably not sure if it's worth it, what I would say is to make sure you plan properly and be sure that you are ready to risk it all. However, if you feel like, because YouTube is not actually very easy, you just don't start YouTube and then start making money. Okay, no, you don't start YouTube and just start making money. I made more money in 2021. Let me check how much I made. Let's see. In 2021, when I got monetized, 2022, this is how much I made. Let's see. 2021. 2021. So in 2021, I made $1,061. Okay, so with YouTube, if you want to make money, you just have to be consistent and you need to be putting out valuable content. Other than that, it's only you and your family member that is going to be watching it. You're welcome. So thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. If you find it helpful, even though I felt like I was rambling a lot because my studio is not ready yet and I'm tired. Okay, this place is really hot and just not been like I really struggled to do this video. So yeah, I've come to the end of this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video, share with your friends. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.